So, this is Blizzard of 13 update 5. I'm thinking we got more than 2 feet. Look at my gate. Look at the street. Here we go with a truck that's supposed to be plowing this street. And they're shoveling the street because the truck is stuck in the snow. Obviously, your truck was too small to begin with. And you shouldn't be out here trying to steal contract money to plow when you know you didn't have proper equipment. Now you shoveling, trapping up my family. So they're going to have to shovel the snow you shoveling in the way to get out themselves. But at this rate, with a weak truck and a weak plow, they're going to end up shoveling the whole street just to get the plow truck through. That's ridiculous. But as you can see, everything on my porch is completely covered. Look at the trees. It's still snowing. It ain't showing no signs of letting up yet. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that. Y'all see that? It's not letting up no time soon. The street. Again, look at these idiots. I'm YouTubing this, not just Facebooking. I got a YouTube, a plow truck that needs to be shoveled out. Anyway, that's update number 5 for y'all. Alright? It's about 22 hours and some change in from the start of this mess. I don't know how many more updates I'm going to do, but right now, this is where we at. Alright? Cool.